If you're looking for an everyday dustpan and brush just for around the home or maybe even the office, I think this one might be the one for you. This is by Spontex, who, as you know, make loads of really good kitchen equipment, so such as things like sponges and things like that. You've got your standard brush there and your pan, and it does fit in neatly, which is really helpful for tidiness. And it also has a hook, so if you do want to hook it up out of the way, maybe behind a door or in a cupboard, you can keep it nice and tidy and out of the way. It has a nice deep wide pan, I think, so you can get plenty in here. It has these scrapers on the side as well, so you can scrape off any excess things like hair and any debris. Really handy as well if you're cleaning up things like glass. The quality feels really nice. It doesn't feel like it's wobbly. Brush is a nice medium firmness there. Not too soft so it's going to miss things, but not too firm so it's going to be bouncing around as you brush. It's got a really nice handle with a grip. This is a smoother plastic. This is more of a sort of rubberized plastic, so you can get a grip on there. You can put your thumb on there for grip. It's got a nice pointy head so you can get into all the corners as well. Another feature of the pan is the rubberized lip, so it means you can get really close to wherever you need to. You're not going to be trying to skip the dustpan trying to get stuff into the pan. Just thought it was a really nice little feature. Overall, it feels like a really nice, good quality. It's going to last you for years. It's going to be easy to store away and keep clean. Overall, I think this is a really good on budget dustpan and brush set.